and welcome back to my channel. So I look like a completely different person right now. Don't follow me on Instagram, you really should. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I took out my hair extensions and dyed my hair black, so different. Or is it just like in my head? I don't know. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some really quick and easy, low-key, a little bit lazy kind of outfit ideas. Maybe wear these for school, I don't know. It depends on your dress code. You guys are going to have to like decide whether your school would like allow it or not. Before we get into the giveaway, I just let it slip. Before we get into the video, I did just want to tell you guys that I'm actually going to be holding a giveaway. So I'm going to be partnering with Incredible Cosmetics. This is my Sean X Incredible box. Like custom little boxes that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. I say little, there's like 50 something lipsticks in here, which is just insane. Whoever wins this, genuinely, I don't think you'll ever have to buy lipstick again like in your life. I'm going to be giving 5 of these boxes away. This is an international giveaway. No matter where in the world you are, you can enter. There are some mattes, there are also some shimmers and some like glosses as well. There's also these cool like jelly ones in here too. There's also these which are like neon. Like, I'm genuinely not joking with you, they're legit neon. So cool. If any of you guys are starting uni or anything like that, these will come in so handy because I know they have like those crazy parties at uni and stuff. I don't know, I've never been to uni before, but I'm really excited. This is honestly, I think you guys are gonna love this. They are so pigmented, so amazing. I actually really love these. Are the most amazing nude shades ever. I'm wearing one now. It's called #weekend and it's like a kind of like a gloss but still super pigmented. And then there's also loads of reds as well because, you know, Christmas is like basically here and we have to get prepared. If any of you guys are interested in entering, literally all you have to do is follow Incredible on Instagram as well as Brand Box as well. They will be the ones to announce the winner. Also have to fill out a little form as well. Super easy, so quick. Like I said, this is an international giveaway, so no matter where you are in the world, feel free to enter. Let me know down below if you entered what your favorite lip color is. Also let me know what your favorite outfit is in this video as well. Other than that, I love you guys so much. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a lot more hauls and a lot more vlogs coming up. Don't worry, I'm also very bored of the like no talking makeup tutorials. I'm over it, okay? I'm just over it. And I will see you guys soon. Oh, yeah, okay.
Six whole days, I'm impatient, lost my way, play no games, don't keep me waiting, Caliche, that's the sign, that's your fragrance, on my way, don't keep me waiting, got me dripping on the Hennessy, I can tell that you're feeling me, good vibes, that's the remedy tonight, oh yeah, gonna need to love your energy, come close, I know you're feeling me. Slow wine and some Hennessy tonight. Gonna need more time with you. Fuck around and get high with you. Tell the truth, I wanna lie with you. Come through and get your vibe with you. Gonna need more time with you. Fuck around and get high with you. Tell the truth, I wanna lie with you. Come through and get your vibe with you. Oh yeah. Getting drunk and lost in my emotions. Moving slow, but everything's still in motion. Body nice, skin soak like lotion. You're like a potion, I wanna flow with it. Got the wave, your head right in the ocean. Body to body, we moving, so baby focus. We on the ride, feeling like I be floating. I know you noticed, oh yeah you noticed. Let your body touch up on me, girl. Feel the vibe and feel the flow. Let the rhythm take control, yeah. Just let your body touch up on me, girl. Feel the vibe and feel the flow. Let the music take control. Catch the vibe, feeling don't stop.